Hey, hello everyone, welcome to Radic Separate channel. So, in this video, I'll be discussing about the table, right? What do you mean by table? I'll be explaining you from the beginning, okay? So, first, let us begin with the structure, okay? So, first, you're going to create the table, right? You need to create a table. What happened? Okay. Here, I'm going to give the title as table, okay? So, table tag, I'm going to use it over here, and under that, you will be having the table heading, right? So what is table heading? I will giving the table heading as name, okay, name. But those table headings and all should be there in the table row, right? Okay, one second. Name, subject, and marks. See, like this. Okay, so this is placed in a row, right? So I will be enclosing it using a tr, table row. Okay, fine. I will just format this. Okay, this is nothing but your table row. Next, what I'm going to do, in the same row, I'm going to insert the data, right? I'm going to insert the data. How the data will be? Data will be like Raju, table data, that is subject. Let me write it as C++. One more data. I will be writing marks, right? Marks, let it be 85. Okay. And this is over. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do? Again, in the next row, see, this is first row. Okay, name subject marks should be in the first row as a table heading. In the next row, I will be having the Raju C++ and 85. Okay, that is nothing but I'm inserting that as a table data. Here, I'm inserting it as a table inside the table only. That is nothing but table heading, right? Table heading. Fine. So similarly, you can create. Uh, One second, guys. Okay. So table date. Okay. TD. No. Java 8. Okay. Now see, what does this mean? See, I will be explaining you. What we have done, we have created one table. Okay. We have created one table. Yes, we have created one table. Okay. There are several rows, right? So within the first row, okay, in the first row we are having name subject marks. Okay, it should be like table header. Okay, what do you mean by th is nothing but table header. Name subject marks as a table header. Next row I'm going to take, so within next row I'm inserting it as a table data. Okay, table data, that is nothing but Raju C++ 85. Okay, next table row I'm going to take, and that is nothing but td, that is nothing but what? Table data, that is Neha Java 8. Okay, table data. I'm going to insert one more table data, one more table data, like that. Okay. So if you want, you can insert one border. Okay. One. Okay. If you want, you can do this. One more thing is there. See, one more thing is there. You can do that using one thing that is nothing but e head. Okay. Inside t head, you can insert this thing. If you insert these tags, then it doesn't mind. Okay. Nothing will happen. Anyways, that's the alternate way. Okay, you can do, or you can, if you can do in the whatever I had told the first method, no, that is very easy compared to this. Okay, because output remains the same in both. Okay, so nothing matters. If you do using those things only, then it's fine. Without t head also you can do. Okay, is this easy? Super cool, right? With if you don't add the border, then you will be finding some other difference like this. If you want the border, you can create. Okay, fine. Thank you.